I have the Cradlepoint R1900 here that I'm going to unbox and tell you a little bit about. The R1900 is a compact, ruggedized router that is typically meant for mobile applications. It has a built-in 5G modem with backwards compatibility with LTE Cat 20. Upon opening the box, we have a mounting template to make installation easier. Next is the Getting Started Quick Start Guide, followed by the safety, regulatory, and warranty information. Now, onto the router. This not only looks rugged, but it feels like it too. With its metal enclosure, it's no wonder it weighs in at a little over 2 pounds. On one side, we have the Gigabit Ethernet ports, which can all be configured as WAN or LAN ports. However, by default, you have 1 WAN and 3 LAN ports. We also have the RS-232 serial port, a USB port that can be used for logging or modem firmware, the reset button, and GPIO power ports. 1 4-pin and 1 8-pin. On the bottom, we have the device label, which includes the device's default password. The other side is where we have all the antenna connections as well as a place to ground the device. Due to its modem support, there are 4 total cellular connections, which use SMA female connections. The GPS or GNSS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth are all using reverse polarity SMA female. No external antennas are included since it is expected the user will need to run cable to install something outside. The top edges look rather unambiguous, but this side is where the LEDs are located. As you notice, you can only see them when the device has power. Moving on to the last side of the router, there's the dual 4FF size SIM card slots that work one at a time for failover. Note that after inserting the SIM cards, you must reattach the SIM door cover or the device will show an error upon boot up. For the included power supply, there is a 3-meter power and GPIO cable. This 4-pin supply provides wires for ground, power, input, and output. There is also an 8-pin supply available, which provides extensibility and the ability to connect a redundant power supply. Lastly, we have a package of M4 screws, nuts, and washers that can be used to mount the device. That's all for the R1900 router from Cradlepoint. If you're interested in more information, please check out the link in the description or reach out to our team using sales at 5gstore.com. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe for more videos like this.